Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Nokia 1.4. First of all, open Play Store on both devices, tap on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Following that, you need to install this free app from this developer. I already did that from Nokia because it was taking a lot of time to download, so I can open it right away. And from the screen here, choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now we need to wait for this one to download and do exactly the same. So open, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now select receive on Nokia and send on an Android. After that, tap on all of those type of dots and just send. This way you can choose all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take a lot of time though, so I will go with only this one song. Just send and tap on got it. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can input this key here, 782579, and choose receive or scan QR code. In order to scan it, click on this scanning icon on a Nokia, then choose allow in the pop-up or only this time, and point your camera at the QR code. And now, after a couple of seconds, I can see that my song was successfully transferred. Complete! Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!